Today I am going to solve word problem on arithmetic progression. Problem is the fourth term of an AP is 0. Proof that its 25th term is triple its 11th term. So first of all, let the first term of an AP be A. Common difference D equal to D. Now the fourth term of an AP is 0. So T4 according to question, T4 equal to 0. So formula is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 0. Now A plus 4 minus 1 into D equal to 0. Now A plus 3D equal to 0. A plus 3D equal to 0. Therefore A equal to minus 3D. Now we have to find the 25th term. T25. T25 equal to A plus 25 minus 1 into D. A means 3D plus 24D. Put the value of A. Put the value of A. A equal to 3D. Now minus 3D plus 24D means 21D. Now we have to find the 11th term. So T11 equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A for minus 3D plus 10D. So 7D. T11 equal to 7D. Therefore triple its 11th term means 3 into T11 equal to 3 into 7D means 21D. Therefore 25th term equal to 3 into 11th term. Proved. Here given proof that 25th term is triple its 11th term. So 3 into T11. T11 means 7D. So 3 into 7D, 21D, and we have already find the T25th equal to 21D. So 25th term equal to 3 into 11th term. Proved. Now next solve is the fourth term of an AP is 11. The sum of the fifth and seventh term of this AP is 34. Find its common difference. Now we have let the first term of given AP, first term A, first term B, A, and common difference B, D. First term be A and common difference be D. Now according to question, fourth term of an AP is 11. So T4 equal to 11. T4 A plus 11 A plus 4 minus 1 into D equal to 11. So A plus 3D equal to 11. Suppose this is one number equation. And the sum of fifth and seventh term of this AP is 34. Sum of fifth and seventh term. We can write T fifth plus T seventh equal to 34. Now T5th means A plus 5 minus 1 into D plus T7 means A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to 34. A plus 4D plus A plus 6D equal to 34. 2A plus 10D equal to 34. Here this is 2 number equation. Now we can solve 1 number and 2 number. Just we write A plus 3D equal to 11. This is 1 number equation. Now if we eliminate A, then we have to multiply 1 number equation by 2 and 2 number equation by 1. Multiply 1 number by 2 and 2 number by 1. So we get 2A plus 10D equal to 34 and 2A plus 6D equal to 22. Now subtract it. We can change the sign. 2A cancel, 10D minus 6D, 4D equal to 12. Therefore D equal to 12 by 4. 3. Common difference equal to 3. Put the value of D. Put the value of D in 1 number equation. Our 1 number equation is A plus 3D equal to 11. So A plus 3 into 3 equal to 11. Now A plus 9 equal to 11. Therefore A equal to 11 minus 9 means 2. A equal to 2. First term equal to 2 and common difference equal to 3. Now we can find the AP. What is AP? So AP equal to, we find its common difference. Only answer find it common difference. Answer the common difference equal to common difference is 3. If we have find the AP, then first term is A means 2, common difference is 3 means second term is 5, after that 8. This is the arithmetic progression and this is AP. Now determine the nth term of the AP. Determine the nth term of the AP whose 7th term is minus 1 and 16th term is 17. Determine the nth term of the AP whose 7th term is minus 1 and 16th term is 17. Let the first term be A and common difference be D. Now according to question, 7th term is minus 1 means T7 equal to minus 1. A plus 6D equal to minus 1. And T16th equal to 17 means A plus 15D equal to 17. This is 1 number equation and this is 2 number equation. A plus 15D equal to 17. just subtract it. Minus, this is also minus, this is minus. A cancel. 15d, 6d, 9d. 6d minus 15d minus 9d equal to minus 18. Minus minus cancel. D equal to 18 by 9, 2. D equal to 2. Now put the value of D. Value of D in one number equation. One number equation, A plus 6D equal to minus 1. So A plus 6 into 2 equal to minus 1. A plus 12 equal to minus 1. Therefore A equal to minus 13. Now we have to find the nth term. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A for minus 13 plus n minus 1 into D for 2. Minus 13 plus 2n minus 2. Answer is 2n minus 15. Nth term equal to 2n minus 15. This is the answer. Nth term equal to 2n minus 15. Now if 10 times the 10th term of an AP is equal to 15 times the 15th term, show that its 25th term is 0. Again let the first term of AP be A. Common difference be D. Now 10 times the 10th term of an AP is equal to 15 times the 15th term. So condition, according to question, condition is 10 times the 10th term means 10 into T10 equal to 15th into T15. 10 times the 10th term equal to 15 times the 15th term. Now 10 into 10th term means A plus 9D equal to 15 into A plus 14D. Now 10A plus 90D equal to 10A plus 90D equal to 15A plus 15 into 14. 200 210D 210D. Now 10A minus 15A equal to 210D minus 90D. Minus 5A equal to 210 minus 90. 120D. 5A equal to, therefore A equal to 120D by minus 5. A equal to 20 minus 24D. A equal to 24D. Now we can prove 25th term equal to 0. So we have to find the 25th term. 25th term T25 equal to A plus 25 minus 1 into D. So A plus 24D. Now A equal to, we have already find A equal to minus 24D. Put the value of A, 24D. 24D cancel 0. Therefore T25 equal to 0. Proved. Here we put the value of A. Put the value of A. Okay students. Now if the fifth term of an AP is Q, fifth term of an AP is Q and qth term of an AP is P, then show that P plus qth term equal to 0. Let first term be A and common difference of an AP be D. Now we have fifth term, means TP equal to Q, means A plus P minus 1 into D equal to Q. This is one number equation. And second condition, TQ equal to P. So A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to P. This is second number equation. Now on subtracting two number from 1, we get two number from 1, we get A plus P minus 1 into D equal to Q. A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to P. Minus 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 cancel, PD minus D minus QD plus D equal to Q minus P. DD cancel, D common, P minus Q equal to Q minus P. Therefore D equal to minus P minus Q, minus common, then minus minus plus P, and Q here plus minus minus Q by P minus Q. P minus Q cancel, minus 1. D equal to minus 1. Now put the value of D. Value of D in one number equation. We get one number equation is A plus P minus 1 into D equal to Q. So A plus P minus 1 into minus 1 equal to Q. Now A minus P multiply P minus 1 multiply by minus 1. So plus P into minus 1 mean minus P, minus minus plus 1 equal to Q. Therefore A equal to P plus Q minus 1. Now we have to find P plus qth term. So T P plus Q equal to A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. Now we have A equal to P plus Q minus 1 plus P plus Q minus 1 into D for minus 1. So we get P plus Q minus 1 minus P minus Q plus 1. Q cancel, PP cancel, 1 cancel, equal to 0. Therefore TP plus qth term equal to 0. We can prove this. P class qth term equal to 0. How many two-digit number are divisible by 6? How many two-digit number divisible by 6? Two-digit number are starting from 10 up to 99. Two-digit number starting from 10 up to 99. But here two-digit number are divisible by 6. We can write only those numbers that are divisible by 6. So given numbers are first divisible number 12 divisible by two-digit number 12 is divisible by 6, after that 18, after that 24, and last number divisible by 6 is 96. Two-digit last number divisible by 6 is 96. Now let their number be n. Number be n. We can find n. Here a equal to 12 and d equal to 18 minus 12 equal to 6, and tn last number equal to 96. So we can write tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn for 96, a for 12 plus n minus 1 into 6. Now 96 minus 12 equal to 6n minus 6. 84 plus 6 equal to 6n. 90 equal to 6n. Therefore n equal to 90 by 6 means 15. N equal to 15. N equal to 15. So how many digits are there divisible by 6? How many digits are divisible by 6? 15 digit. 15 two-digit number. Answer is 15 two-digit numbers are divisible by 6. Okay. Now how many numbers are there between 101 and 999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5? Which are divisible by both 2 and 5? That means each given number is divisible by 10. Both number which are divisible by both numbers divisible by both 2 and 5, that means the given number divisible by 10, and numbers are between 101 and 999. So these numbers that are divisible by 10, the numbers that are divisible by 10 is first number is 110, after that 120, 130 up to 990. 990 is the last number. So first number here a equal to 110 and d equal to 120 minus 110 means 10, and let their numbers be n. Numbers be n. Now we have Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and nth term equal to 990 equal to a for 110 plus n minus 1 into 10. Now 990 minus 110 equal to 10n minus 10. Now 880 plus 10 equal to 10n. Then 890 equal to 10n. Therefore n equal to 890 by 10 means n equal to 89. So our answer is, how many numbers are there between 101 and 99 which are divisible by both 2 and 5? There are 89 numbers between 101 and 999. So students, in this class, up to this, have a nice day.